Today on we're going to do a meatball sub casserole with definite string pull. To do this, we're going to start off with a throwaway pan and some Texas toast. And what we want to do, ooh, this has got the cheesy on top. I didn't know that. So we're going to put this in here in this pan like this, just any way we can fit it, but try to minimize the space. So we'll do that. And I guess I'm trying to be Mr. Fancy here. I probably shouldn't be. It's toast. And there's one more. And one piece of toast. Stuff that in there. See? It's all jam-packed in there. We'll take that. Next, we're going to take some sliced provolone. And we're going to take this and put it on top of the toast. And there's a science behind this. We're going to put this on here so what we put on later won't soak through into the toast. This is a barrier layer. Say that real fast. Barrier layer. It's not like a bear layer. That's a whole different thing. That's where a bear lives. Hey, boo-boo, wrong bear. So here we go. We take this and we cut this and patch up a couple holes. And we take this and we'll zip this up and we'll get rid of that. Next, meatballs. We forgot to open the meatballs. And now my fingers are all slippery. And if I had a knife, then I would take and cut this right here. I magically conjured up my dullest knife. Oh well. And here we have meatballs. We're going to pour these bad boys in here. See there? Meatballs. Let's spread them out evenly if we can. Whew. And I can only say one thing. I hope this cooks down a little bit, or I'm going to have a messy oven. It's like a game. How many meatballs can you get on top of this pan? Okay. So there's the meatballs. I'm not going to throw this one on the floor. It's still open. I'll have to clean it up. So next, we're going to take a jar of spaghetti sauce. And we're going to come in here and just pour this goodness all over these meatballs. There we go. And last but not least, more cheese on top. Luckily I have a cat. He's a blind cat. I've told you about him before. So he can smell cheese. And he's probably going to smell a little bit over here. Uh-oh. Something's wrong at the power grid. All right. what that is, I put these high wattage light bulbs up in here, and they're not really dimmable enough, but it keeps me from having to set up extra lights, because I'm basically lazy. All right, so I've got that covered in cheese. The cat's got a little snack waiting on the floor. That's heavy. We're going to take this, we're going to put it into a 350-degree oven for about, I don't know, half hour, maybe 45 minutes. And then we'll be back. You hang in there, it's going to be good. And it's done. Look how pretty. Yeah. Okay, so let's cut into this thing and see what happens. See how bad I can burn myself getting into it. Here we go. Oh, 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 meatballs everywhere. Okay. So, okay, let's taste this thing. Looks like shoelaces coming off of it. But let's find out. Ow. Yeah, that thing's hot. I knew I'd burn myself sooner or later. Well, for the love of... Here we go. Steam coming off. See the steam coming off of this? Let me try down here where the toast is. Don't try to do a video when you do this, because it's a mess. Oh, yeah, you're going to have to try this one. This would be good for game day. It's almost stoner food again. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe and click on my face wherever I stick it. And we'll see you next time. What happened to my voice? We'll see you next time. Bye.